Hey everyone, it's Joe here with Izai Human Performance. Today I'm going to show you some functional shoulder mobilization techniques, which are my favorites. They really work on your upper thoracic spine, your pecs, your lats, just to free everything up. They're great dynamic stretches so you can perform them before you exercise, before you train, or before you go and play a specific sport. A lot of people that come in tend to be lacking internal or external rotation behind their back, behind their head. So we'll test them out, and they tend to be really limited. A lot of it comes from this upper back, comes from the shoulder capsule itself. So I'm going to show you how to stretch those areas out. Just take a standard foam roll. You can even use a pillow. What you're going to do is lay it on the ground here. You're going to lay into a side-lying position. So almost a fetal position, and what this does, it locks out your lumbar spine, so it prevents you from being able to cheat down low in your spine. So all the mobility is going to come from the upper back and chest. A lot of us tend to have really limited mobility there because we sit at computers all day long and just participate in activities that contribute to those imbalances. So what you're going to do is lay your top knee on the top of the foam roll here. You're going to lie your head down on the ground. You're going to start with both hands interlocked here, and you're going to slowly rotate that top hand up towards the ceiling. At the same time, you're going to reach as high as you can with your other hand, your right hand here, and you're going to try to rotate your upper torso back towards the floor. So the whole key behind this is trying to get that shoulder blade down as you slowly rotate. You can come all the way down, slowly rotate back again. So the whole goal is to try to reach with both hands as far as you can. Try to get that shoulder blade contact with the floor. Do not crank on your shoulder. If you're getting any pain or signs of impingement, you need to stop and make sure that it's all upper torso movement at once. So once you get the hang of it, you can start mobilizing and literally moving at about this pace. Repeat for about 10 to 15 repetitions and switch over to the other side. Great exercise to stretch out the pecs, the lats, the upper thoracic spine. Second exercise, real simple. You're going to go into a quadruped position. This one mobilizes the upper back as well as some of the rotators of the shoulder. So you can start with your hand behind your head. You're going to anchor your hand underneath your shoulder here on the other side. You start with your elbow down, and you're going to think about rotating your upper back up towards the ceiling. Rotating that upper back towards the ceiling. Repeat 10 to 15 times and switch sides. Now you can also do this technique with your hand behind your back, and this will work on stretching some of the external rotators, mobilizing your arm into internal rotation. So you're going to mobilize up towards the ceiling and back. Up towards the ceiling and back. And your head always follows your upper torso. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoy those mobilization techniques for the upper back and shoulder. Until next time.